Hey there, are you frustrated because your TP-Link 5G isn't working? You're not alone, and I'm here to help. In today's guide, we'll explore how to fix TP-Link 5G not working and get your internet speed back on track. Let's dive into some effective solutions that can help you resolve the issue and get your 5G connection up and running smoothly. Step 1. Check device compatibility. The first thing to consider when solving the issue of your TP-Link 5G not working is device compatibility. Ensure your devices are 5G capable by reviewing their specifications. Many older devices only support 2.4 GHz, which can cause connectivity problems. So, double check if your smartphone, laptop, or tablet is compatible with a 5G network to ensure it can handle those lightning-fast speeds. Step 2. Update router firmware. Using outdated firmware might cause connectivity issues. Start by visiting the official TP-Link website and looking for any firmware updates for your specific router model. Make sure to download and install these updates to keep your router functioning optimally. Most routers have a straightforward update process. Access your router settings via a web browser, navigate to the firmware update section, and follow the on-screen instruction. A well-maintained firmware ensures your router is running the latest features and security fixes, which can play a crucial role in resolving the TP-Link 5G not working issue. Step 3. Optimize router placement. Router placement can significantly impact your 5G connections. It's crucial to place your TP-Link router in a central location, reducing the distance to your devices and minimizing any physical obstructions like walls or furniture. Keep your router elevated and away from potential sources of interference such as microwaves, cordless phones, or Bluetooth devices. By optimizing router placement, you can achieve a better 5G signal and improve overall connectivity. Step 4. Adjust wireless settings. Sometimes fine-tuning your wireless settings can improve your connection. Log into your TP-Link router's management interface, usually accessible via a specific IP address, and navigate to the wireless settings menu. Here, you can switch the operating channel for your 5G network. Try channels that are less congested by neighboring networks. Additionally, ensure the encryption type is set to WPA2/WPA3 for better security and performance. Adjusting these settings can potentially resolve connectivity issues and get your 5G network working efficiently. Step 5. Restart and reset. When all else fails, a simple restart can sometimes solve connectivity issues. Unplug your router, wait for about 10 seconds, and then plug it back in. If that doesn't help, consider performing a factory reset. Remember that this will erase all custom configurations, so you'll need to set up your network again from scratch. Use a small pin to press the reset button on your TP-Link router for about 10 seconds. This step can eliminate underlying issues that might be causing your 5G network falter. Resolving the issue of TP-Link 5G not working might seem daunting, but by following these steps, checking device compatibility, updating router firmware, optimizing placement, adjusting settings, and performing restarts or resets, you can restore your connectivity. Remember, keeping your router and devices updated while strategically placing them makes all the difference in enjoying seamless internet speed. By understanding these troubleshooting techniques, you can tackle the TP-Link 5G not working issue with confidence and ease. Take charge of your internet connection today and enjoy the full spectrum of speed and connectivity 5G network promise. Happy surfing!